You're a real tough cookie with a long history of breaking little hearts like the one in me. That's okay, let's see how you do it. Put up your dues, let's get down to it. Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Right away. You come with me, come on, you don't fight fair. That's okay, see if I can. Knock me down, it's all in vain. I'll get right back on my feet again. Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Right away. Little hearts like a one in me. Before I put another notch in my mistake case, you better make sure you put me in my place. Hit me with your best shot. Come on, hit me with your best shot. Hit me with your best shot. Right away. Hit me with your best shot. Why don't you hit me with your best shot? Hit me with your best shot. Right away.
Let's give a round of applause out there, clap your hands in the house. Marrissa coming to you live from the Parrot Pub. Tuesday night, take care of your bartender. She's working hard for you.